How to switch from TurboTax to H&R Block. Follow my instructions. Switching from TurboTax to H&R Block in 2025 is easy and could save you money on your tax prep. To begin, go to hrblock.com and choose whether you want to file online or download the H&R Block software. Once you create your account, you'll be asked if you've filed with another service before. Choose TurboTax and H&R Block will guide you through the import process. Log into your TurboTax account separately and download your PDF tax return from 2024. This file includes all your key tax data like income, dependents, deductions, and prior year AGI. Save the file on your device. Now, go back to H&R Block and use the Import from TurboTax option. Upload your saved PDF and H&R Block will automatically transfer most of your information, saving you from re-entering everything manually. Once the import is complete, you can start your 2025 return. H&R Block often charges less than TurboTax for similar services. If you're using the H&R Block desktop software, the process is similar. Just choose Import TurboTax Return during setup. Then select the .tax file or PDF from your computer. Whether you're switching for cost, better support, or simplicity, H&R Block makes it smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching.